Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. How many times have you found yourself reaching for a tissue because your nose just won't stop running? Mucus buildup can be an annoying and uncomfortable problem that we often try to ignore or mask with over-the-counter medications. But what if I told you that there are simple foods you can eat to naturally clear that mucus in a matter of minutes? No more endless coughing or congestion, just pure relief. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Well, it's not. These foods are packed with natural properties that help break down mucus and soothe your airways. And no, we're not talking about some miracle pill. We're talking about real, everyday foods you can find in your kitchen right now. Now, before you start thinking this sounds too good to be true, let me dive into why these foods work. Mucus production is your body's natural defense mechanism, but sometimes it can go overboard, especially if you're dealing with allergies, a cold, or even pollution. The good news is that some foods are known to help reduce mucus production and even clear it out faster. So, what are these foods? First up, we have ginger. This powerful root has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling in the airways and promote the clearance of mucus. Ginger can also break down the mucus that's already stuck in your throat or chest, providing immediate relief. Imagine drinking a hot cup of ginger tea, letting that soothing warmth go down your throat as it works its magic. It's like a spa day for your respiratory system. Next, let's talk about pineapple. Yes, pineapple. It's not just a tropical treat. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to help break down mucus. Bromelain is also great for reducing inflammation, making it easier for your body to expel mucus. A refreshing pineapple smoothie, or just a few slices of fresh pineapple, can do wonders to help clear up that congestion. And here's a fun fact. Pineapple has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat respiratory issues. So, Grandma was onto something when she made us eat more pineapple? You've probably heard that garlic is good for you, but did you know it can also help with mucus? Garlic contains compounds that thin mucus and make it easier to expel. Its antimicrobial properties also help fight any infections causing that pesky buildup. Whether you add garlic to your meals or sip on garlic tea, you'll notice a difference in how your body clears mucus. It's like your very own natural decongestant. Now, if you've ever sipped on hot tea when you're feeling under the weather, you might have unknowingly been soothing your mucus with the power of peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant, opening up your airways and making it easier to breathe. This herb also helps in loosening mucus, making it less sticky and easier to clear out. So, the next time you're sick, reach for a cup of peppermint tea instead of that over-the-counter medicine. Not only does it taste great, but it'll help clear up your mucus and soothe your throat at the same time. But wait, there's more! Turmeric, often hailed as a superfood, deserves a mention in this list. This golden spice is packed with curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce inflammation in your airways and clears mucus by thinning it out. Turmeric is commonly added to milk, soups, or even smoothies, making it easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Plus, it gives your dishes a beautiful golden hue, making them both healthy and eye-catching. And don't forget about honey. It's not just for sweetening your tea. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help clear mucus and soothe irritated throats. A spoonful of raw honey can help reduce throat irritation, and it also acts as a natural cough suppressant. If you add honey to your ginger or peppermint tea, you'll have a double whammy against mucus tasting, delicious and working wonders on your respiratory system. All of these foods work together to fight mucus, but let's not overlook the importance of staying hydrated. Water is key to keeping mucus thin and easy to clear. The more hydrated you are, the less thick and sticky your mucus will become. So, make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to support your body's natural detox process. Now, let's talk about a common question. Why do some foods make mucus worse? Certain foods, like dairy, processed sugars, and fried foods, can actually increase mucus production. These foods can trigger inflammation and make your symptoms worse. So, if you're trying to clear mucus, it might be a good idea to avoid these foods until you're feeling better. But don't worry, eating a diet rich in the right foods won't just clear your mucus in the short term.